Hi there, friends. Welcome to our new learning class. Today we are going to learn all about pronouns. You know pronouns means? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. We use pronouns so we do not have to repeat nouns again and again. I'll show you a chart about pronouns. There are many different kinds of pronouns used in English. As you can see the chart given below. In first column we have first person singular and subject pronoun. We can use first person singular in subject pronoun is I and object pronoun in me and possessive adjective is my and possessive pronoun is mine. So rest of them you can save for your longer usage. Always remember one thing. Subject is the one doing the action and object is the one receiving the action. Possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns show possessions or ownership. Here we have the example of subject pronouns. As you can see, a lady doctor with an old lady. This is Selena. She is a doctor. In this picture, she is a subject pronoun. The next, it's a two person are taking coffee. I cannot drink the coffee. It is too hot. In this picture, it is a subject pronoun. Now we have object pronouns. So as you can see, there are two examples of object pronouns. Elle will teach me French from next month. In this picture, me is a object pronoun. Similarly, as you can see, a librarian is collecting the books and please collect the books and put them on the shelf. In this picture, them is a object pronoun. Here we have possessive adjective. There are two examples of possessive adjective. Two boys are playing cricket. Kim and his friends are playing cricket. In this picture, his is a possessive adjective. At the same time, we have another example. Thomas and Elna like their new apartment. They are looking happy, both the couple. In this picture, we can see there is a possessive adjective. If you find this video it's informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we can see possessive pronouns. There are two examples over here. This book is mine. Mine is a possessive pronouns. And other picture is about a waiter is serving some food and dishes to the customers. The vegetable dish is yours and chicken dish is hers. We have two possessive nouns in this picture, yours and hers. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing and like the video. See you next time. Bye bye.